Hello, this is Mr. Rowland, and we're going to work through this Unit 2 review. Prepare yourself for the Unit 2 test tomorrow. If you can work all these problems on the review, you should be fine when it comes to taking our test. So let's just jump into this. Okay, so we started off our unit with complex numbers, and one thing we had to do with complex numbers was we had to solve equations involving complex numbers. Okay, so 1 and 2 on our review, same thing. So we have a real part and an imaginary part on each side of this equal sign. When we solve this, all we have to do is set the real part on the left equal to the real part on the right, and the imaginary part on the left equal to the imaginary part on the right. Okay, so over here, this one-step equation is not too bad to solve. Just divide by 2, and x is equal to 5. Okay, on the right, it's still not too bad, even with this I, because it's got an I on both sides. That I will divide out. I like to just go ahead and scratch it off. So we have 6y is 12. We'll divide by 6, and our solution, y is equal to 2. Okay, so we've got another one. If you want to pause the video and try it yourself, go ahead. All right, so our other equation, we have 3x plus 12yi is equal to 12 plus 6i. Okay, so again, real part on the left, real part on the right. These are the parts without i's. 3x is equal to 12. Okay, imaginary part on the left, imaginary part on the right, set those equal to one another, and that is 12yi is equal to 6i. Okay, so we'll go ahead and scratch these i's off. So if 3x is equal to 12, we'll divide by 3, x is equal to 4. And on the right, we'll divide by 12, and let's write it like this. Y is equal to 6 over 12. Okay, so this is a fraction that we can't, it's not going to divide to a whole number. We can reduce it, though. It's going to reduce to 1/2. Okay, so our solutions for this second equation, number 2, is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1/2.